Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I have to tell you about this skirt. So I was on a hunt for a nice warm long skirt that was going to keep me warm being outside. This skirt is so warm. I was nervous. You know, things say they're warm and then you get it and you're like, this is not what I was looking for. But this is nice and thick. It's this soft, warm material. I wore it outside in temperatures of about 30 degrees. And I was not cold, which is great. I think this is a great skirt for like a commuter or someone who's going to be outside but needs to be dressed up. I love that it has the cinches in the back to keep it nice and stylish and not frumpy looking. And I just really cannot get over how nice and warm this is. I've had many people compliment me when I wear it, and they even say, wow, that skirt looks so warm. Also, it has pockets, so I mean, what else can you ask for? It's a win in my book. So I definitely recommend this. I love that it comes in so many different colors and styles and things like that. I think you should check it out, and that is my point of view.